So can an AI be biased is the question for today. And I want to take you back to the station where I did the Machine Monday earlier this week. And what I had intended to do with the Machine Monday was to actually show you the model we created to control the position of the bolting tool, which is what I did. But in addition to that, I also wanted to show you how we could track an operator's hand to ensure that they picked the right parts. But unfortunately, when I attempted to do it, the model wasn't able to pick up my hand. And to our surprise, what we learned was that the model had actually been trained with lighter skin hands. So it was able to pick up a lot of my colleagues' hands, but not able to pick up my hands and my colleagues with darker hands. So what we realized was that it was a really important lesson in that the data we feed our models to train our AIs has to be unbiased and more inclusive. So we are 6 hours later, and our team have been able to retrain the model and improve the outcomes of darker hands. But one of the questions that we also realized was that we hadn't trained the model to detect gloves. So we decided to take it one step further and not only train the model to detect gloves, but also train the model to ensure that the operator is wearing their gloves for safety reasons, obviously. So as you can see over here, it's able to detect my hand with the glove on. And in fact, when I put my hand in without the glove, it doesn't detect the hand. It actually is ensuring that the operator can only work on the station with gloves on. And this is the power of training the right data or using the right data to train the AI. Hope you enjoyed this one.